Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for all things tech, gadgets, and gizmos. Today, we're putting two high-flying drones head-to-head in an aerial showdown. On the left, we have the Gleesfun drone with 4K Camera RC Quadcopter, and on the right, the Gleesfun G11MINI Drone. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with what everyone cares about, camera quality. The Gleesfun drone boasts a 4K camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. It's like having a professional photographer in your backpack. Reviewers love how easy it is to capture stunning photos and videos with it. Meanwhile, the Gleesfun G11MINI isn't slacking either, with its upgraded 4K UHD camera. It shoots at 2.7K 50 FPS or 4K 25 FPS, making it great for slow-motion shots. Users appreciate the high-quality footage and the reliable video connection to their phones. Now, let's talk about flight modes. Gleesfun offers GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. It's like having a drone that can read your mind, or at least your GPS coordinates. Reviewers find these features particularly useful for capturing dynamic shots. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI brings its A game with follow mode, circle mode, and waypoint mode. It's like having your own personal paparazzi. Users love the ease of use and find the automatic modes very helpful for getting the perfect shot. Safety first. The Gleesfun drone is equipped with advanced flight control systems and GPS tech for stable flights. It even has return-to-home functionality, so it'll come back to you like a loyal puppy. Reviewers praise its stability and reliability in various weather conditions. Gleesfun isn't far behind with its auto-return feature. If it loses contact, it'll come back home faster than you after a bad date. Users appreciate the peace of mind this feature provides and note its effectiveness in bringing the drone back safely. Next up, portability. The Gleesfun drone is compact, foldable, and lightweight. Perfect for those spontaneous adventures, or when you just need to impress your friends. Reviewers love how easy it is to carry around. Gleesfun G11MINI, though, takes it up a notch. It weighs under 250 grams. No FAA registration required. You can basically carry it in your pocket. Users highlight its convenience and the fact that it avoids the hassle of registration. Flight time is crucial. The Gleesfun drone offers up to 46 minutes with its two batteries. That's almost an entire episode of your favorite show. Reviewers appreciate the decent battery life for extended fun. Gleesfun G11MINI, however, gives you a whopping 60 minutes. That's enough time to film your entire hike, your dog's walk, and still have time to annoy your neighbor. Users are impressed with the long-lasting battery and the extended flight time it offers. Both drones are beginner-friendly. Gleesfun has features like app-controlled, altitude hold, and obstacle avoidance. Reviewers find it easy to set up and fly, making it ideal for beginners. Gleesfun offers a beginner mode and even a camera shield to protect from those inevitable crashes. Users appreciate the beginner-friendly features and the added protection for the camera. Finally, let's talk moolah. The Gleesfun drone is priced at $179. Not bad for a drone that offers so many features. Reviewers find it to be a great value for the price. The Gleesfun G11MINI, on the other hand, is a bit steeper at $299. But hey, you get what you pay for. Extra flight time, no FAA registration, and a camera shield. Users feel it's worth the investment for the additional features and convenience. Both drones have received positive feedback from users. The Glorel drone is praised for its ease of use, stability, and value for money, making it a great option for beginners and casual users. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI is appreciated for its advanced features, long flight time, and portability, making it a solid choice for hobbyists and those looking for a hassle-free flying experience. So which drone takes the crown? Is it the budget-friendly and feature-packed Glorel drone, or the high-flying, long-lasting Gleesfun G11MINI? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let the drone wars begin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying and remember to keep it smart.